You have to keep fighting. You have to keep pushing, and you have to create your own environment. That's the reality, because your environment is not helping you. I understand that. It's up to you how much effort you put in to immerse yourself with that environment, right? It could be having some English books in your room. It could be changing your phone to English. It could be listening to podcasts every morning when you wake up so that the first thing you hear is English, and just exposure and exposure and practice and practice. You have to play with the language. That's how it is. It's not like 1 + 1 = 2, or it's not like a math concept, right? Language theory is vast, everyone. Language theory is vast. It's not as simple as, hey, improve me, help me. It's not as simple as that. It's not as black and white as that. There's always gray areas in between, because everyone learns differently. Everyone has their own strengths. Everyone is learning English for a different reason, right? So there are a multitude of different variables and aspects of one's life that influences how someone learns. So it's just a matter of really being disciplined, being consistent, and trying different new things until you kind of find what you're interested in, find what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are. And being self-taught is not easy. It's important to have a teacher. This is just my opinion, but you can still do it if you're self-taught. It's definitely possible. It just means you have to work a little harder. You have to work extra hard. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?